JotForm AI Agent offers some compelling features, but before you dive in and make your purchase, there are 7 things you absolutely need to know to make an informed decision. Stick around until the end, and I'll explain how JotForm AI stacks up against its competitors like Typeform, Google Forms, and even more advanced solutions like SurveyMonkey. First off, the most obvious question, is JotForm AI Agent really worth it? JotForm AI is designed to automate and simplify form creation, making it accessible for businesses of all sizes. If you're familiar with competitors like Google Forms or Typeform, you'll find JotForm's approach more intuitive, thanks to its unique AI-driven features. But before jumping into the software, it's important to understand how it can help you and what sets it apart from the crowd. Next thing, JotForm AI Agent excels when it comes to ease of use. Unlike more complex platforms, which can leave you overwhelmed with options, JotForm lets you create forms in minutes, even if you don't have a technical background. While platforms like Typeform offer beautiful designs, they can be restrictive in terms of integrations and ease of customization. With JotForm AI Agent, creating a form is as simple as answering a few prompts, and the AI adapts to give you the perfect layout for your needs. The third thing to consider, integrations. JotForm AI works seamlessly with over 100 third-party apps, which is a huge advantage if you're looking to connect your forms to CRMs, email platforms, or payment systems. Unlike Google Forms, which has limited integrations and customization, JotForm provides an ecosystem that makes it easy to automate workflows without jumping between different tools. The fourth thing is JotForm's AI-powered responses. This is where it really shines compared to the competition. The AI analyzes the data from your forms and can suggest improvements, provide insights into trends, and even optimize forms for higher conversion rates. This level of automation is not something you'll find with many other form tools, making JotForm AI Agent an excellent choice if you're looking for more than just basic form building. Next thing, pricing. JotForm offers a more flexible pricing model compared to other form builders like Typeform, which often locks advanced features behind a paywall. JotForm has both free and paid plans that scale with your needs, making it accessible to both startups and large enterprises. If you're just starting out or only need basic features, you can try it for free, and as your business grows, you can easily upgrade to unlock more features, including advanced AI capabilities. The sixth thing to know, customization. One of the areas where JotForm stands out is its vast array of customization options. With more than 10,000 templates and extensive style settings, JotForm allows you to personalize your forms beyond what many competitors offer. While Typeform might give you beautiful design options, JotForm's deeper customization makes it a solid choice if you want a highly tailored form experience without coding. Finally, let's talk about customer support. JotForm AI Agent comes with excellent support options, offering live chat, detailed documentation, and video tutorials. When compared to competitors like Google Forms, which mainly relies on community forums for support, JotForm's more personalized approach ensures that you won't get stuck if you run into any issues. Whether you're troubleshooting a complex form or just need advice on best practices, JotForm's support team is there to help. So, what's the bottom line? JotForm AI Agent is a powerful tool that can make your form building process incredibly easy, especially if you need advanced features like AI-powered suggestions, integrations, and extensive customization options. It's a solid competitor to Typeform, Google Forms, and SurveyMonkey, with a unique blend of simplicity and flexibility. If you want to try out JotForm AI Agent for yourself and see how it compares, just click the first link in the description to get the best free trial and unlock exclusive benefits. You'll be able to explore all the features risk-free and decide if it's the right tool for your needs.